Hi, my name is Nicolas. I'm the technical sales engineer for Tritech. And we have here the Gemini range of products to show you. So we can start with the world's smallest multi-beam sonar. So it's a 720 kilohertz sonar, ideal for obstacle avoidance and navigation. We then have the Gemini 1200 IKD. So this is perfect for medium to small class ROVs for obstacle avoidance, navigation, obstacle detection. It's just a perfect package for those small class ROVs. And then we have our world class ROV standard Gemini 1200 ID. So this is our latest unit. Can go up to 4,000 meters. Also dual frequency, so 1200 kilohertz high frequency for those close inspection shots. And if you want to go further out, you can swap to the 720 kilohertz and get those shots further out.